guguluhin ko sa Eunice pumasok sa kwarto niya. Tara. FBI, open the door. What are you doing? What? Bakit kailangan mo i-turn off yung yung pinapanood mo? Let's go on the lunch. Let's watch Ferdinand. Come on. And then we eat noodles. Come on, Irene. I'm gonna jump on you. I'm not only allowed. Come on. Not. No. That's so embarrassing.